Most people think their problem is money. Not enough coming in, too much going out. But what if the real problem isn't financial at all? What if you're not broke, you're bound? There's a difference, and that difference changes everything. Being broke is a number. It means your account balance is low right now. Broke is temporary. Broke can change with a raise, a new job, a side income. Being bound is different. Bound means the system controlling your money has power over your decisions. Bound means you make more and somehow spend more. Bound means the paycheck grows, but the freedom doesn't. The median household income in America is over $56,000 a year, but 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. That's not a broke problem, that's a bondage problem. Here's how financial bondage works. It starts with one payment, one car payment, one credit card balance, one personal loan. And then the payment becomes normal. The minimum becomes the budget. The debt becomes the lifestyle. Romans 13:8 says, "Owe nothing to anyone except to love one another." The biblical standard for financial freedom is radical by modern standards. Zero debt, zero obligation, nothing owed to any lender. That sounds impossible to most people because most people were never taught that debt was optional. Here's the distinction that matters. Broke people need more money. Bound people need a different relationship with the money they already have. If you got a $20,000 raise tomorrow, would it change your financial situation? For most bound people, no. Expenses expand to meet the new income. New car, bigger apartment, more subscriptions, more eating out. That pattern is bondage. The money changes, the behavior doesn't. Breaking free requires identifying the specific chains, not just adding more money to the system. What payments own your monthly income? What obligations exist before you make a single choice? What percentage of your paycheck is already spent before you get it? Those questions reveal the bondage. The answers reveal the exit. Here's the exercise. Write down every fixed obligation before any discretionary spending. Rent, car payments, insurance, subscriptions, minimum payments. Add them up. Now divide that number by your monthly take-home income. If that number is over 50%, you are bound. You are not making financial decisions. You are servicing obligations. The goal is to get that number below 35%. Every debt you eliminate is a chain removed. Every payment you cancel is a decision returned to you. Freedom is not a feeling, it's a percentage. You may not be broke, but if your money is obligated before you touch it, you are bound. And bound people cannot build generational wealth. They can only survive. The first step to building wealth isn't earning more. It's breaking free from what already owns your income. Subscribe to Covenant Wealth. Next week, the biblical reason you need 3 separate bank accounts and how to set them up today. See you then.